Crispy, crunchy deliciousness. Hey guys, welcome back to my kitchen. I'm Chef Pam, and this is Cooking with Chef and More. We are getting ready to make crispy guanciale. Yes, guys, crispy guanciale. Now, we've all probably heard of it before, but not necessarily by that name, and I'll get into that a little bit later. And guys, if you want to learn how to make all kind of homemade food and dishes, easy, simple, and made from scratch, subscribe, and tap that bell so you'll always be notified every time I upload another amazing recipe. Let's get busy. Okay guys, so our guanciale typically comes packaged, pre-packaged like this. You could probably find it in some markets just fresh from the meat department, but at least where I live, it's always pre-packaged. So you're going to have to cut it. You're going to have to slice it. Now you might can get your butcher to slice it. Mine won't slice it if it's pre-packaged. They will not open it and slice it. And right now, with things going on, I don't know that I would want them to, but this is what it looks like. It looks like bacon. It's not bacon. Okay, guys, so what we're going to do, the only other things you'll need is salt, pepper, and a tad bit of sugar, just a pinch. So you want to go ahead and slice it maybe about a quarter of an inch thick. You don't want it too thin. Not sure my knife is going to be sharp enough, but we'll see. So you just want to go ahead and give a nice slice. And the better your tools are, the better you can do this, guys. The better you can slice it. And as you can see, my knife is not the sharpest in the kitchen today. Just want to get this one piece cut off here, and then I'm going to slice the rest up. There we go. It's not too bad. So you want it to be about that thick, guys. That thick, and it has a skin on it as well, which we will leave on. Okay, so we'll set this aside. I'm going to get the rest sliced up, or at least the amount I'm going to fry today, and we'll be right back. Okay guys, so I've got it all sliced up, but I do want to say that this first slice, actually when I looked at it, on the one side it was probably the right size, but this is a little thick. You don't want it that thick. So I'm going to set this piece aside and I'm going to just show you. You want it to be this thick. You want it to be just about that thick. Like a slice of bacon, It's really almost like that, but not quite, guys, not quite. So I'm just going to separate this in the bowl right quick, and we're just going to put just a little salt on it. Just a little salt on it. We're going to do this to each side. We're going to add a little black pepper. Just add a little black pepper. And just a little bit of sugar in there. Okay, so you want to do both sides. Get in here and do both sides right quick. Again, just go in, just a little bit of salt, not much at all. Go in with a little bit of sugar. Again, you don't need much at all. And your black pepper. I like to add a little bit more black pepper than anything else, guys. Anything else. All right, guys, we are going to go and head over to the stove so that we can get this all fried up. And we'll be right back. Okay, guys, while our skillet is heating up over there on the stove, I just want to say guanciale. Most of us have heard of it, or we refer to it as smoked pork jowl. Yes, guys, that's all guanciale is. When you hear people talking about guanciale, they're talking about smoked pork jowl. Now, recently I did another video, and you guys can check that out. here or here on salt pork, streak Olean. And guys, it's pretty much the same. We're going to fry it up just like we did that salt pork. But salt pork comes from the pork belly, and smoked pork Jowl comes from the cheek of the cow. Yes, guys, the cheek of the cow. So this is where it comes from. This is what it's called. And you may, like I said, hear it called guanciale. People are doing something fancy with it. But it's plain old smoked pork Jowl. And I think the skillet is hot. So let's get on over and get this fried up. Okay, guys, as you can see, our skillet is nice and hot. So we're going to add a couple of tablespoons of oil to the skillet, not much. Let that go ahead and heat up a second or two. Let the oil heat up. And then we're going to add our guanciale, our smoked pork belly, to the skillet. Okay, I think that should be hot enough. Yes. You want to hear that sizzle, guys. You want to hear that sizzle. And you just want to cook it for 3 or 4 minutes per side until it's nice and crispy, golden brown. Need that color. Okay. So we're going to let this cook for a second and we'll be right back. Okay, guys, I think we're about ready to turn it over. And as you can see, I put a top on it. And you'll also see where I kind of split the pieces so they'll lay a little bit flatter. But the top is on there because just like salt pork, it pops. It pops a lot. So as you can see, all the grease popping at the top of the... Okay. Oh my goodness, look at that, guys. Oh yeah, nice and crispy. Ooh, this is amazing. Okay, guys, we'll be back. Okay, guys, I think we are all ready to come out. We are all ready to come out. Oh my goodness, yes, guys. Oh my goodness, can you see how crispy that is? Oh my goodness, yes. Both sides, delicious, delicious, delicious. Oh my goodness, guys. I cannot wait for the taste test. Ooh, look how crispy that is. Yes, delicious. Oh my goodness, look at that. Delicious, 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 guys. Yes. Okay, guys, I'm gonna plate this up and get ready for our taste test. Okay, guys, we are all done with our crispy seared guanciale, smoked pork Jowl. Oh my goodness. Take a look, take a look, take a look. Doesn't that look amazing? Yes. Oh my goodness. Now, guys, you know, here comes my favorite part. My favorite part, the taste test. Okay, guys, we'll be right back. Let's get ready to have our taste test. Okay, guys, we are getting ready to have our taste test. Oh my goodness. Let me let y'all have the first bite. Listen. Can you see? Can you hear the crispness in there? Oh my goodness, have a bite, have a bite. I know y'all heard that crunch. I know y'all heard that crunch. This is so good. Crispy, crunchy, deliciousness. Oh my goodness. You better make some. Guys, oh my goodness. If you are not subscribed to me, what are you waiting on, guys? We got a ton of recipes to do. Guys, go ahead, subscribe, turn on the notification bell so you'll be the first to know every time I upload another amazing recipe. Oh my goodness. Give me a thumbs up, guys. Leave me some comments. I love talking back and forth to you all. And guys, I answer every last single comment I get. I try to answer them the same day. But if you leave me a comment, I will get back to you. So if you have any questions or anything like that, just leave me a comment. I will get back to you. And guys, do me a favor and share the video out. Share it out, share it out. Tell your neighbors, your friends. Get you one of those horns, because I don't want you to go knocking on nobody's door right now. And announce it. Tell everybody you know on social media and in the world that Chef and More is over here cooking up made from scratch, easy, simple, delicious crispiness all day long. Guys, I also have channel memberships. Everyone is welcome. And if you are subscribed to me and you're already a channel member, oh my goodness, thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate each. Oh, excuse me. Talking and chewing. You know your mama told you don't talk and chew at the same time. I'm talking and chewing and choking. I really do appreciate each and every one of you guys. And I will see you next time. The good Lord willing. And the creek don't rise.